Are you frustrated with your Polaroid TV that flashes on and then turns off unexpectedly? You're not alone. In this guide, we'll explore some effective solutions to fix a Polaroid TV that flashes on, then turns off, ensuring your viewing experience is uninterrupted. Whether it's a minor glitch or something more technical, we'll help you diagnose and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check the power supply. The first step in determining the issue is ensuring your TV is getting consistent power. A faulty power connection might be why your Polaroid TV flashes on, then turns off. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and let it sit for about a minute before plugging it back in. Check if the power cord and any extension cords are in good condition with no visible damage. If possible, try using a different power outlet or power cord to see if the problem persists. Step 2. Inspect remote control and buttons. Sometimes the issue might not be with the TV itself, but with the remote control or physical buttons. Remove the batteries from your remote control and press the power button to clear any stuck commands. If the problem resolves when using a different remote or manually turning the TV on, the remote may be faulty. Additionally, check the physical buttons on the TV for any signs of being stuck or malfunctioning and clean them carefully. Step 3. Evaluate sleep timer and eco mode. Your Polaroid TV might have a sleep timer or eco mode enabled, causing it to turn off after being turned on. Navigate through the settings menu to check if the sleep timer is activated and disable it if necessary. Similarly, look for any energy-saving modes that might be causing premature shutdowns and adjust these settings for uninterrupted viewing. Step 4. Examine internal connections. Internal hardware issues can also lead to a Polaroid TV that flashes on, then turns off. If you're comfortable with handling electronic components, carefully remove the back panel of the TV to inspect internal connections. Look for loose cables or components that might not be securely seated. Ensure the main circuit board is properly connected and check for any signs of damage or burnt areas. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. If the issue persists, performing a factory reset might resolve the problem by restoring your TV to its original settings. Keep in mind this will erase any custom settings you have configured. Access the settings menu and find the option for a factory reset. Follow the on-screen instructions and after completion, check if the issue is resolved. Fixing a Polaroid TV that flashes on, then turns off involves troubleshooting various potential issues, from power supply problems to internal hardware glitches. By systematically following these steps, you can identify and rectify the issue to restore your TV's proper function. However, if the problem continues after attempting these fixes, it may be time to consult a professional technician to assess more complex hardware issues. Stay patient and thorough, and you'll be back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time.